Hi, everybody. This is Craig, the water guy. I hope you're doing well today. I see you've been searching for water softeners for home today. And so I want to share my 33 years of knowledge with you and go over a few things with you to help you make the proper buying decision today. So basically, when you're searching for a water softener for home, you're going to see some choices here. Some familiar ones names that I'm seeing here is Culligan, Home Depot, uh, Culligan again, Lowe's, and Pelican seem to be there's also Connecticut. So those choices there are well-known names out there. All right, so I'm going to briefly go over those with you real quick. Okay. Number for starters, when you're looking for a water softener, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you know what size water softener you need. One size fits all does not do you any sort of good when it comes to a water softener. If you don't size your water softener properly, you can undersize it to where it's going to regenerate a lot, which waste a lot of salt and waste a lot of water, which is bad for the environment. It's also bad for your pocketbook because the more it regenerates, the more it's going to cost you, not just in salt and water waste, but wear and tear on your control valve and your water softener resin bed. So if you want a water softener to last you, for a fairly long time. And if you want a water softener that's not going to cost you a fortune to operate, then you want to make sure you take the proper steps and size the water softener properly. Okay. And I'll go over our website here in a little bit with you and show you how to do that. But first, let's go ahead and look at what these other folks have to offer here. So the first thing is to save you some time on your on your homework here, on your search for a water softener for your home. Let's say and look at Home Depot. Now, Home Depot, everybody knows Home Depot is a home improvement store. They're not water treatment professionals like I am. So when you go there, you look at a water softener, chances are you're not going to find somebody that has the type of experience that I have, as well as be able to help you with the system later on down the road once you've purchased it from them. As far as the water softener itself goes, you're going to find that the water softeners that Home Depot carry, the warranty on them is pretty minimal. Their downflow systems are not high efficiency with new age technology, so they do cost quite a bit more than the upflow high efficiency water softeners cost you to operate. So they're a system that may cost you a little bit less to purchase than purchasing a good high quality water softener, but over about 3 to 5 years, it's going to end up costing you a lot more. As well as you're not going to have anybody like myself that really knows what they're talking about to walk you through any issues or questions that you may have with your water softener later on down the road. So you basically pay for what you get in that particular instance. Okay. So, uh, the warranty, like I said, is pretty minimal. Last time I looked, it was 3 years on the control valve and 10 years on the tanks. It's a pretty minimal warranty for a water softener. Quality wise, not too great. The next one is Culligan. Now, Culligan has been around for years. Culligan is a franchise. Basically, the Culligan systems are made by Culligan. What you're going to find there is that they're extremely high priced. They have to install it for you. You're not going to be able to install this system by yourself. At least the last time I checked, you have to purchase it through a Culligan dealer. So you're going to pay a lot of money for the softener. It's also a downflow softener. It's not high efficiency. So again, it costs a lot to operate the system. One of the main downfalls, besides the fact that you're going to pay a lot for it, is that the system, you cannot get parts for it or get service from any other dealer. You have to go through a Culligan dealer to get parts and service for them. I have tried over the years to service Culligan systems for customers that were not ours, where they could not get a hold of their local Culligan dealer, or they just didn't like the price that they quoted them. And we've gone out and charged them a service call and went through the systems and tried to figure out the problem. In a lot of cases, we do, and it ends up where they actually need parts. And at that point, we can't help them anymore because we can't get the parts. So that's where we're at with it. So now when customers call us and want us to service a Culligan system, we just tell them we're sorry, but you're going to have to call Culligan because we can't get the parts for you. It's just a waste of your time and a waste of your money as well. So we just won't do it anymore. So that's kind of where you're at with Culligan. Okay. So Lowe's, same thing as Home Depot, same issues there. They're not water treatment professionals. The systems they carry have minimal warranties. The Pelican does sell online. Their systems are okay, but they're also old technology as far as their standard salt-based water softeners go. Their downflow systems, they do charge quite a bit for their systems. There's nothing special about them. The warranties are okay on them. They do a great job marketing, but again, they charge a lot of money for something that is not worth that kind of money, in my opinion, my professional opinion as well. They also offer what they say a salt-free water softener. Now, to me, that throws a red flag up there because there is no such thing as a salt-free water softener. Basically, the system that they're referring to does not soften water by using salt. What it does is actually it changes the chemistry of the hardest minerals, so they're smaller in size, so they cannot stick to surfaces permanently, kind of giving you the effects of soft water. So they're really kind of what you call a water conditioner because they're conditioning the water, they're not softening the water. So it's a play on words there, but folks, it's not a water softener. Okay. Um, we also carry these systems here as well, but we call them water conditioners. Okay, and we only recommend them under certain circumstances. So the next system that we ran across here, the company is Kinetico. Kinetico is like Culligan. Kinetico is a franchise system. They are only made by Kinetico. The Kinetico system is a decent system. They use what we call a twin alternating system, which gives you 24-hour treated water, and they don't use electricity. The electricity thing, I guess it could be a sales benefit, but a benefit as far as the electrical savings go. But you know what? Your softeners use very little electricity. It's like having an alarm clock plugged in next to your bed. So as far as savings go, it's really not there. Uh, the thing of it is about the Connecticut systems, you're going to pay a lot of money for them. Again, they are downflow. They're not high efficiency systems. And you cannot get parts or service for them unless you use a Connecticut dealer. So you're pretty much at their mercy, just like the Colliga systems go. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to sizing the water softener properly. If you go to our website at qualitywatertreatment.com, you can hit sizing calculator. And on this page is a video that I made that actually walks you through on how to use the sizing calculator. But I'll step through it with you real quick. Basically, what you want to do is choose the amount of people in your home. So, for example, I'm going to use 4 people. The average national usage is 75 gallons per person per day for water usage. I'm going to go ahead and choose 15 grains per gallon for my water hardness because city water, that's about average. I don't recommend that you just put that number in there. You want to know what your water hardness is. You can either call your local water district and ask them what your water hardness is, or you can go to our website and search for your water hardness. And actually, we have a form there that you can fill out and we will actually look that information up for you and send you an email with that and your recommendation. If you're on well water or you're on private well, then you're going to want to enter your iron. If you're not sure if you have iron in your water, basically, if you have brown staining on fixtures, if you don't have any other sort of water treatment system on your house now, that's an indication that you have iron and you want to get it tested. So based on city water only, this system is sizing at a 32,000 grain capacity. Based on this information, that means the system's going to regenerate about every 7 days to give you maximum efficiency. Okay, so we're going to click on that 32,000 grain capacity, and this gives you the different systems. Now, the first system is the well-known Fleck 5600 SXT downflow water softener. We have put the downflow water softener on here just as a comparison to our other systems. Although we do sell the Fleck, we don't recommend the Fleck anymore because it's not a high efficiency water softener. It's like all those other systems out there. Okay, so the Flex system is okay, but again, it's not high efficiency, but it does have a good warranty and it's priced pretty well. So if you're looking for something at a really low price cost, that is the system to go with over like a Home Depot or a Lowe's system because it's a lot better quality with a better warranty, and it does have quality water treatments backing as far as giving you all the good service that you deserve when you purchase a water treatment system. So, but I highly recommend that you go with the Soft Pro systems. The Pura Soft Pro is also a 3/4 inch valve, but it's an upflow system. It's high efficiency and has a lot of new age technology to it. So it will save you up to 75% on salt and 64% on water every regeneration. According to the manufacturer of our Soft Pro systems, an average family of 4 will save up to $220 per year in salt and water alone. So the system will pay for itself, average in about 3 years, and it'll keep on paying for itself continuously for the lifetime of the system. The system average life is 15 to 20 years. The system warranty on the Soft Pro Pura is 7 years on the control valve and lifetime on the tank. So it's a lot better than any other water softener out there that I went over with you as far as all that goes. The next step up is the Soft Pro Elite Basic. That's a 1-inch ported valve. It's a higher flow rate valve, less pressure drop in the home with higher flow rates. It uses an upgrade 10% resin on there, which is a resin that is more chlorine and chloramine resistant, so it lasts longer on city water and gives you better performance over the years. It comes with a better warranty. It has a 10-year warranty on the control valve versus a 7-year warranty or the 5-year warranty on the Fleck. Much better than General Electric or Home Depot systems that I believe 3 years lifetime on the tanks versus their 10 years. So much better system all the way around. Again, it saves you up to $220 a year in salt and water. Very good system, folks. The next system is the Soft Pro Elite Plus. The same system as the Soft Pro Elite Basic. Same warranty, but it has a medium Arcadia 55 filter in it, which removes chlorine, triethylene gases, which is basically a byproduct from overchlorinating, which has been known to cause cancers. It also removes lead and copper, heavy metals, and it keeps bacteria from growing in the system. So if you're looking for a system that's going to give you soft water, but also give you water that doesn't have any chlorine or triethylene gases in it and heavy metals, for showering and stuff like that, then this is the system that you want. So I hope that helped you folks out, and thank you for visiting with us today. And happy soft water to you. Thank you.